name is Jermaine Banks. I came from the U.S. I found you guys because I was looking online, and I seen a couple of people that came over here. So I decided to like Google you guys, and then I was looking at like a bunch of the reviews or whatever, and then I seen a bunch of positive reviews, and I seen like the outcome of everybody's hair transplant from like a year. No, from like 6 months up to a year, and I liked the results that I saw, so I decided to come here. There was a few clinics that I had hit up on the that I contact on the WhatsApp, and some of them they took too long to like respond. Some of them I just didn't like the way they responded to me and stuff like that, like they were too busy and or whatever. But Arthur, I got in contact with you from the get-go, and every single day throughout the day you messaged me right back, so you know. That's what I like, so I decided to come here. Yeah, I left that out too, and that's another thing that I had looked up. I saw that you guys were like had like years and years of experience, especially with like African American hair. And I saw that a lot of African Americans came over here to get their hair transplant at Heva Clinic. So that's what. Yeah, definitely, it was everything ran smooth. As soon as we came down here, they picked us up right from the airport in the van. And then they brought us straight to the hotel room and we checked in. Everything went smooth since we got here. I would recommend anybody to come here. I'm not sure if my friends, if they, got the courage to come down here and fly like I did all the way to Turkey, but anybody that's around, I recommend them to come here. Or anybody that's in the US that feels comfortable with flying.